Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix this Strava app when it's not working properly. Let's jump right into it. First, you'll want to make sure your Strava app is running the latest version, as outdated versions often cause performance issues. To check this, open either the App Store if you're on iPhone or the Play Store if you're on Android. Once you're in the store, look for the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Strava. This will pull up the app's main page where you can see all the important information about it. Now take a look at the button next to the Strava app name. If you see an update button instead of open, that means there's a newer version available. Go ahead and click update to download and install the latest version. This process usually only takes a minute or two depending on your internet speed, and it often resolves most bugs and glitches that might be causing the app to malfunction. If updating the app doesn't solve the problem, the next method is to force stop the app and clear any temporary issues. To do this, open your phone settings. Once you're in settings, scroll down and click on apps. This will show you a list of all the applications installed on your device. From this list, find Strava and click on it to open the app's detailed settings page. Here, you'll see various options related to how the app functions on your device. Look for the Force Stop button near the top of the screen and click it. What this does is completely shut down the app and clear any processes running in the background that might be causing it to freeze or crash. After you force stop the app, try reopening Strava to see if it's working properly now. This simple step often fixes temporary glitches and gets the app running smoothly again. Now, if force stopping didn't work and Strava is still giving you trouble, the final solution is to completely uninstall and reinstall the app. This is the most thorough way to fix persistent issues because it removes all corrupted data and gives you a fresh installation. To do this, find the Strava app on your home screen or in your app drawer, press and hold the icon and select uninstall. Once it's removed, go back to the App Store or Play Store, search for Strava again, and reinstall it. When you open the app after reinstalling, you'll need to log back into your account, but all your data and activities will still be there since everything is saved to your Strava account in the cloud. And that's it, you've successfully fixed the Strava app using one of these three methods. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.